circle and a sphere. Volume, dimension. This one's flat, this one's voluminous, right? Yeah. But they're both a true circle, perfectly round. So this cylinder, if you're setting it up on a flat plane, it's got two verticals, and then it's got circle at the top, circle at the bottom. But unless we're seeing the cylinder like this, the circle is no longer appear as a circle, it starts becoming what? A ellipse, because what's happening to it? Turn, space, okay? Becoming foreshortened, So the reason I'm going on and on about this sphere and this cylinder is because I'm going to make a doorknob now that utilizes the sphere and some cylinders. What I'm going to do, in a very small sense here right now, is make, believe me, that's a sphere, and that's a cylinder. I'm going to draw a larger one in a minute, and that's the back plate. Boy, that didn't come out very clear. I'm going to make it more clear for you guys. A little tough with the dry erase marker when you get that small. There's my sphere. It's a big doorknob, even though I'm drawing it small. There's the shaft connecting it, and there's the back plate. So there's a doorknob on the back wall utilizing a sphere and some ellipses and cylinders, right? You guys understand that? So what I did there, what can I erase? I'll draw it over here. I drew a sphere, then I drew a cylinder. If we saw inside of the cylinder, we'd see the ellipse. And then on the other end of the cylinder is where the doorknob's attached to the wall, right? You guys follow? And then if I'm making a plate behind that, I've got to make an ellipse behind there. And the ellipse, this thing will actually be a very shallow cylinder. So that's what's happening there. That doorknob you can barely see. So this is a long shaft here, but I want you to see it. You're going to be required to draw a doorknob in your drawing. And it's going to be small, but I want you to understand what's happening with the cylinder, what's happening with the sphere, what's happening with the ellipses. Later on in the semester, when we draw a still life freehand, we're going to draw these things. And a wine bottle, the bottom of it is a cylinder.